Hi, my name is Mohamed Abdullahi Hassan. I am a member of Somali Unified Youth and I am a community activist. The community in Columbus, Ohio is doing a really great job so far as I see it, joining with myself, Somali Unified Youth. And things I would like to see improved on would be more people stepping up, taking the actions, taking responsibility, and enforcing rules and stuff and regulations on things and how it's supposed to be run and done. Other things would be skills that we have is important. Our behavior is good. Our behavior is for teens or young adults would be better because we're not always jumping the gun. We're taking advice and we're listening at the same time, and I think that helps anybody in any community, and I think that's something that anybody can improve on. Religion is is mostly our life, and that's what we need to accomplish first. The second priority is helping each other, and that's where the community comes in. And I think if we follow the guidelines that the religion has taught us to believe, I think that's a really great point, and it sets a really great value for us and high standards to reach, inshallah, in the future. And I hope, people out there are listening, because we are making noise, and inshallah everybody will hear some. I wish everybody on a good note, inshallah, to learn something, help each other out, treat your neighbors with respect. Assalamu alaikum for now, inshallah. We'll be back.